Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ABL eMobility charging management for business EV fleets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring ABL eMobility charging management for your business EV fleet, first, gather all necessary equipment and software. Ensure that you have access to the ABL eMobility platform on your computer or device. Create an account or log into your existing ABL eMobility portal. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Next, locate the section for fleet management within the dashboard. Select Add New Fleet to begin setting up your electric vehicle fleet. Input your fleet name and include a brief description of your business operations. Proceed to add each electric vehicle in your fleet, entering specific details like make, model, and identification numbers. Once all vehicles are added, navigate to the charging station configuration. Select the charging stations you intend to use for your fleet. Ensure they are compatible with ABL eMobility for optimal performance. Configure the charging schedules based on your fleet's operational hours. Set charging priorities for each vehicle based on business needs and battery requirements. Utilize the analytics feature to monitor usage patterns and charging efficiency. Specify user roles and permissions for team members who will access the platform. Train your staff on how to use the system efficiently. Save your configurations and review all settings to ensure accuracy. Conduct a test charge with one of the vehicles to confirm everything is functioning correctly. Regularly update the platform with any new vehicles or changes in your fleet. Monitor charging performance and adjust configurations as needed over time. Keep an eye on reports and analytics for continuous improvement and cost management. Finally, stay informed about software updates and new features released by ABL to maximize your fleet's efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.